Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to talk about the switch statement in C Sharp and how to use the switch statement, right? So basically a switch statement in C Sharp is a control statement that allows you to select one of many code blocks to execute based on the value of a variable, right? So it is a clear alternative to using multiple else if statements in C sharp. Okay, now let's me directly move towards the development environment. Here we have the console application. You can create the console application inside the Visual Studio, any edition. And on the right side, I have just the output of the program inside the command prompt. Okay, now I will first show you the syntax of the switch statement in C sharp. Okay. No, it is the syntax. Here we pass the variable and there we check the first condition. If the condition is met, then this block of code will be executed and the execution will be break. I mean, the execution will come outside of the switch statement. If this condition is not met, then this condition will be checked, and if this condition is also not met, then the default block of code will be executed and the break statement will terminate the switch statement and it will come outside. Okay. No, it is just the syntax of the switch statement. Let's we see some practical implementation so that the things get clear. Now, I will define here a variable fruit. Okay, and let's me give here some value like apple. I think everyone like apple in the fruit. Okay, sorry for the incorrect spelling. Right, now here I will define here the switch statement. So let's me copy the one that I just removed. Sorry, this one I have already write the syntax. No, no, in these, as I defined here, we are passing the variable. So I will pass here this variable. Okay. Our variable is fruit and its value is apple. Now I will check here first condition. If the fruit name is apple, then I have to print uh, console dot write line uh, use selected uh, apple, right? And then the execution will come outside of these and also from the switch statement. Okay. Now, for example, if the value of the fruit is not apple, let me give here one another condition. If the fruit is banana, then I will print here banana. If let's me remove this line. I can give more cases, so I will give some more cases also. This one, I think I should put here a semicolon and then control KD to format the document. Okay, now let's me give here cherry. Okay, copy, and one final. Let's me print here. For example, some if the variable value is not apple, not banana, not cherry, then I will print here some default code like let's suppose unknown fruit. Okay, now I will execute this code one by one. The fruit value is apple. Here you can see that these condition meet, and now in the console this line will be printed. Okay, and after the break the program will come outside of the switch statement. You can see that the execution come outside of the switch statement, and no we are here at this line. Now let's me change the value to banana of the variable. Now guys suggest these block of code will be executed or these one. Let's see. Okay, because the fruit name is not apple, that is why this case is not met. That is why it check the next one, and the next one is banana, and that is why no these block will be executed. And you can see the selected you selected banana, and after this line the execution will come outside. Now let's me give here some other name. Let's suppose some other like mango. Now in this case, this condition will not meet, this will not meet, this will also not meet, but the default condition will execute in this case. Let me check. Step next, you can see it's not apple, mango is not banana, mango is not cherry. That is why this line will execute the default block of the switch statement. You can see unknown float. So we can use the switch statement like multiple if else if conditions. If you are easy with the if else, then you can use. If you want to use the switch statement, then you can use. So basically in the switch statement, I will explain again. Here we pass the variable and then we just check the conditions. If any condition meet, then the code inside the case statement will execute. If no condition meet, then the default block will be executed. Keep in mind that you have to keep the default block at the end. Okay. So thank you for watching the video. We'll meet you with a new topic of the C# programming language in the next video. Thank you.